Hey everyone, let's start with my introduction. My name is Sandeep Bimali and I am 18-year-old student and a passionate programming learner. Join me on my YouTube journey as I dive into the exciting world of coding, sharing my progress, tips and tricks along the way. Let's embark on this coding adventure together. So there are many questions related to programming language and programming field. So in this video, we'll provide you with a solid foundation in programming. Whether you are an absolute beginner or looking to expand your coding skills, this tutorial has been something for everyone. We'll cover key programming concepts, best practices, and hands-on example to ensure you not only understand but also apply what you learn. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you the basic and first step for programming. So in this video, we're gonna learn introduction of QBASIC programming, variable, constants, assignments, operators, operands, and sequential programs in QBASIC. So what is QBASIC programming? QBASIC stands for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is an integrated development environment, IDE, and interpreter. It can run on Linux and Windows OS. It is case-insensitive language. It has predefined commands like CLS, input, print, end, and function library, and so many other functions. So again, what is a variable? A variable is a named storage location where we store any value. The value of variable can change during the execution of the program. Similarly, you can see the explanation. You can think variable as a container. A container can contain many types of items. Similarly, a variable value can also change, but every variable cannot contain every type of value, just like every container cannot contain every type of item. Example, A is equal to 50, B is equal to 10.5. Here A and B are the variables. Similarly, what is a constant? A constant is a fixed value that cannot change during the program execution. Just like A is equal to 50, B is equal to 10.5. 50 and 10.5 are constants. In the following examples, A and B can store any other values like A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 25.1. Is also valid, but the values are constants. Operator and operands. Operators are the symbols that perform any operation on operands. Operands are the variable and constant on which any operation is performed by the operator. Consider this example. As you can see here, A is equal to B plus C. In mathematics, we say it's a formula. So in the above formula, A, B, and C are operands where plus and is equal to are the operators. So here you can see the types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operator, logic operator. You can see here in arithmetic operator there is mode, that means divide. Okay, you can note it down. Now you can see here the interference of DOS box. Now how to execute the QBASIC program? To execute the QBASIC program, you have to type command qb.exe. Then you have to press enter. Then it look like this. Now you have to press ESC key. Then it removes. Now let's start with the basic concept of QBASIC. CLS. What is CLS? CLS statement clear the display screen. Whenever you begin any program, you need to clear the screen. Now next, end statement. Now the end statement terminates a program. Just simple. Now print statement. What is print statement? Print statement displays output on the screen. It displays data, values of variables or expression on the screen. Now you can see a basic example of QBASIC in which we started the program with CLS and end the program with end. Now you can see the basics. Now here is written print welcome to Nepal inside the double quote. And print Nepal is a beautiful country inside a double quote. Whenever you print or input something, you have to write that on inside the double quote. Now how to run the program? By here you can also run the program, or you can use the shortcut key that is Shift plus F5. Now you can see the program has been executed and it print welcome to Nepal. Nepal is a beautiful country. Now here let's talk about rem statement. Rem statement is a not executable statement. It is used to put explanatory remarks or comments in the program, which is written as rem, where remark is the explanatory remark about the program, variable, etc. Now how it is used? So it is used as, just like you can see, CLS, then after you have to write rem, and what is rem you have to write about the program, just like use of arithmetic arithmetic operators. Here you can see how it is written. This has no use in the program. Whether you like to write rem or you don't like to write rem, you as you wish. So now let's try another example. So here you can see the another example of QBASIC program in which there is displayed the sum of two digits. Here you can see a is equal to 2 is a constant and b is equal to 3 is also a constant. I have let sum is equal to a plus b, then it is printed as the sum of a and b is sum, and program is ended. Now to execute the program, you have to press Shift plus F5. Then you can see the sum of a and b is 5. Whether I have written that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. You can see from here. Now it was the second example. Thanks for tuning into this programming adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more coding contents. Until next time, happy coding and may your bugs be few.